Welcome to the lesson on estimation of numbers. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to state the need to approximate numbers and to estimate numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, and thousands by rounding off. You will also be able to estimate the sum, difference, and product of numbers.
Yeah, my piggy bank is full. This is the day I've been waiting for. I can now go and buy all the sweets and chocolates that I've been longing for. 94, 95, and 96. I'm done. I have coins worth 96 rupees. I can't wait to get inside Mr. Smith's sweet shop.
Good morning, Chris. You are my first customer today.
Good morning, Mr. Smith. Tell me, how do you know how many customers visit your shop daily?
Well, approximately 20.
Don't you know the exact number?
It is practically impossible to state the exact number of customers likely to visit the shop daily. That's why I gave you an estimate. For example, I had no idea that you would visit my shop today, did I? Look at the date on the paper. I know that the date is precise, as it is a fact.
Do you mean to say that known facts and calculations give us an exact number, whereas guessing gives us an estimate?
Perfect, Chris. Oh, I see you have a bag full of coins here.
Savings from my pocket money for the month to buy sweets and chocolates. These coins are worth 96 rupees.
So, that's approximately 100 rupees.
Why do you say approximately 100 and not approximately 90?
It's simple. Look at this measuring tape. Now tell me, is 96 closer to 100 or to 90?
100.
And why do you say so?
Because the gap between 96 and 100 is smaller.
Smart boy. What you have just said is also known as rounding off. So here we can say that 96 is rounded off to the nearest tens, which in this case is 100.
How about 95? Will it be rounded off to 100 or 90?
Good question, Chris. The numbers 91, 92, 93, and 94 are closer to 90 than to 100. So we round off 91, 92, 93, and 94 as 90.
True.
The numbers 96, 97, 98, and 99 are closer to 100 than to 90. So we round off 96, 97, 98, and 99 as 100.
I see.
95 is equidistant from both 90 and 100. Therefore, 95 as a common practice is rounded off as 100. Please remember, it is a common practice to round such numbers to the bigger number.
I guess that is an important point to keep in mind.
How about playing a game, Chris?
Sure, Mr. Smith.
Tell me, Chris, what is the approximate number of chocolates in this box to the nearest hundreds?
I'm not sure.
Let me give you a clue. Is 125 closer to 100 or to 200?
100.
As 125 is closer to 100 as opposed to 200, it is rounded off to the nearest 100, that is 100. Round off 1,699 to the nearest thousands.
As 1,699 is closer to 2,000 as opposed to 1,000, it is rounded off as 2000.
Perfect, Chris. Chris, would you round off 1,500 as 2,000 or as 1,000?
1,500 is equidistant from both 1,000 and 2,000. So the normal practice is to round it off as 2,000.
You are a pro now, Chris.
Hi, Chris. How are you? The two of you seem to be having a serious discussion.
Hi, Martha. Mr. Smith has been kind enough to explain the concept of estimation. I didn't really know much about it till now.
Good morning, Martha. How can I help you?
Well, it's my birthday tomorrow and I want to distribute chocolates to all my friends in school. Let me see. I'll take 39 of these chocolates and 28 of those sweets.
So you have about 70 friends, do you, Martha?
Mr. Smith, how did you arrive at the number 70?
Quite simple. 39 rounds off to 40 and 28 rounds off to 30. The sum of 40 and 30 is 70. So Martha needs approximately 70 chocolates and sweets.
Wow! That makes addition easy and quick.
So how much money should I get from my mother to buy all these chocolates?
Let's see. Each chocolate costs 8 rupees and each sweet costs 2 rupees. The approximate cost of each chocolate is 10 rupees. The product of 40 and 10 is 400. So you need approximately 400 rupees for the chocolates.
The product of 30 and 2 is 60. So you need 60 rupees for the sweets.
That's right, Chris. So the sum of 400 and 60 is 460. So you'll need about 500 rupees for the sweets and chocolates.
Thanks, Mr. Smith. I will be back with the money.
Estimation saves so much time and effort.
True, but it is important to guess sensibly.
Give me an example.
Had I rounded off the cost of each chocolate to 5 rupees instead of 10 rupees, I would have asked Martha to get me 300 rupees instead of 500 rupees, which could have been an incorrect estimation.
Why don't we calculate the exact amount that Martha has to pay?
Good idea. As we have some time on our hands, let's calculate using a calculator. The actual cost of 39 chocolates at the rate of 8 rupees per chocolate is 312 rupees. Similarly, the actual cost of 28 sweets at the rate of 2 rupees per sweet is 56 rupees. So, the exact amount that Martha has to pay is 368.
Had you not estimated the amount sensibly, Martha would have had to make 2 trips home.
True.
So I guess there are no specific rules of estimation. It all depends on the level of accuracy required and how quickly the estimate is needed.
Clever boy.
Here you are, Mr. Smith. My mother did not have change, so I have a 1,000-rupee note with me.
That was quick. Let me check if I have enough change with me. The approximate amount I'd have to give to you is 500 rupees. Oh, good. I have already calculated the exact amount I need to return to you. Here you go, Martha.
Thanks so much, Mr. Smith.
Bye, Martha. Enjoy your birthday tomorrow. That reminds me, Chris, you came here to buy some sweets and chocolates.
5 of those chocolates and 7 of these sweets?
Sure. 1 chocolate costs 12 rupees and 1 sweet is 3 rupees. Now, approximately how much change do I owe you?
Approximately 20 rupees.
Perfect.
Thank you so much, Mr. Smith. Spending time with you was a great learning experience.
Most welcome, Chris. Do come again when you have saved enough from your pocket money.
Congratulations! You have successfully completed this lesson. In this lesson, you learned to state the need to approximate numbers and to estimate numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands by rounding off. You will also be able to estimate the sum, difference and product of numbers.
In today's video, we are going to take one very simple topic. We are going to talk about the types of numbers. This types of numbers actually I am doing in two parts. In first part, we are going to discuss natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. And in second part, we will be discussing about rational numbers, irrational numbers and real numbers. So what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are basically the numbers which we use for counting, or the things appear in nature in these counts only. If you want to count number of trees in a garden, they will definitely start from 1. So the numbers 1, 2, 3 in which we usually do our counting are called natural numbers, right? The things in nature appear only in these numbers. So the set of natural numbers is usually denoted as n. This is the set of natural numbers. And the elements of set we write in curly brackets, and the natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and this can continue till infinity. We denote the set of natural numbers as capital N only. And what are the elements of this set? The natural numbers start from 1, and then we have difference of 1 between two consecutive natural numbers. So 1 plus 1 2 and 2 plus 1 3, 4, and you can continue this series till you want, and this will be the set of natural numbers, and it is always referred as capital N, right? So whenever you see this capital N, you can take it as the set of natural numbers, right? In mathematics, of course. And now we have second variety, and this is called whole numbers. And how do we represent whole numbers? Whole numbers we usually represent as W. And what is this? This is nothing but the set of natural numbers and a 0 in it. So the elements of this set will start from 0, and then we have all the elements of the set of natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again this will continue till you want, right? So W is the representation for the set of whole numbers, right? So W is the representation, and it starts from 0. It has 0, right? Or you can say you have a whole inside the natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the natural numbers. And if you include a whole or a 0 in the list of natural numbers, you will get whole numbers, right? And what is next? Next we have integers. The set of integers is denoted as capital Z or capital Z. And what does it have? It has a 0, and then it has all the natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, right? And it also have all the negative natural numbers. That means it will have -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on, right? So Z, which we usually denote as the set of integers, it has 0, then positive integers, and along with those positive integers, it has all the negative integers also, right? So the set of negative natural numbers, positive natural numbers and a 0 is together called a set of integers. So the set of integers is denoted as capital Z, and it has negative integers, that is -4, -3, -2, -1. Then it has 0, and then it has positive integers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, right? So this is the set of integers. And if you see properly, here also the difference between two consecutive numbers or two consecutive elements of the sets is 1. Right? The common difference over here is also 1. So the common thing in all these sets is actually the difference between two consecutive terms. The difference between two consecutive terms is 1 everywhere, right? So this was all about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and definitely you can perform any operation on these set of numbers. They are numbers, just we are trying to classify them, right? So you can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, anything you can perform on all these set of numbers, right? And in next video, we are going to talk about rational numbers and irrational numbers. So bye-bye till then.
Before entering the topic, we need to discuss some basic concept. Dear students, what is the strength of our class? 30. How many sides does a square have? 4 sides. How many fans are rotating here? 4. How many sun do we have? 1. How many sides are in pentagon? 5 sides. Students, 30, 4, 4, 1 and 5. What are these? These are known as numbers. Very good. In this class, we are going to discuss about numbers. Today, our topic is knowing our numbers. In this section, we will learn about Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration consists periods and places. There are 4 periods and 9 places. The first period known as ones periods. The ones period have 3 places. First one ones, second tens, third hundreds. The second period is thousands. It has 2 places, thousands and 10,000. Third period is lakhs period. It has 2 places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Fourth period is crore periods. It has 2 places, crore and 10 crores. Next, how to insert commas in Indian system of numeration. Here, I have written 4 examples. In first example, how to insert comma, we will see now. When you start to write comma, you have to start from right side of the number, not from the left side of the number. To write commas, we start from right and write commas after 3 digits, second comma after 5 digits, third comma after 7 digits, fourth comma after 9 digits. In first example, the first comma will be after 3 digits from the right side. Second comma will be after 5 digits from the right side. Over. Is there any doubt? Okay. Let's go for second example. In this example, how to write commas we will see now. The first comma will be after 3 digits from the right side. Second comma will be after 5 digits. Third comma will be after 7 digits. Fourth comma will be 9 digits. All the commas you have to insert from the right side, not from the left side. Similarly, 3 and 4. Place value. The place value of a digit in a numeral upon its position in the place value chart. This is the Indian place value chart, which we have discussed already. Again, I will discuss. It has 4 period and 9 places. Ones period, it has 3 places. Thousand period, it has 2 places. Lakhs period, it has 2 places. Crore period, it has 2 places. Here, I have written a number. The number have written according to the place value under that chart. I'm going to read the number from the right side.